Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the Allure Beauty Box for January. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty box that is put together by the team at the Allure magazine. It is going to be $25 a month. It does get cheaper if you want to prepay for 3 months at a time, or I think you can do monthly, quarterly, or annually. So it's $25 a month if you go monthly. If you want to go quarterly, you will save a little bit per month. And if you want to pay all together at one time annually, you will save even more. Right now, as of the last time I checked the website, there is an extra gift for subscribing. There usually is an extra discount for subscribing. I didn't see that, but I didn't look real hard. But there might be a $10 off coupon for the first box. Check for that. There's a free gift with each new subscription. If you do a 3 months at a time, if you pay quarterly, you will get a Kylie Jenner lip product. If you do sign up for annually, you get an entire box for free in addition to your normal box. So either way you subscribe, you're going to get a great deal. There is always way more than $25 worth of products in this box. I can't wait to see what's inside of it. Before we get into this one, if you haven't yet, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoy any part of this video, and hit that notifications bell if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. For now, let's see what's inside this one. This is actually my first video for 2025, filming. The first video I'm filming in 2025. Got new hair. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if what you prefer, the longer version of my hair or the shorter version of my hair. I like the both, so I think it's fun. Inside the box, we get some pamphlets. The booklet usually will have some information on the products in here. I'm hopeful. I think there are information. I think the information for our products is going to be in here. There's also there's an Allure Beauty Box advertisement for signing up or gifting the box. So inside the box, our products are going to come with a piece of tissue wrapped around, and this is a full box. So cannot wait to see what's inside this box. As we go through this box, I would love to hear your feedback on the products that are in here. If you have used them, if you have wanted to try them, let me know. Our first product in here is a sample of the Juliet Has a Gun, and this is Juliet perfumes are usually, they say Juliet, not a perfume, but this is the Juliet Has a Gun, and this is going to be a purse size. It looks like a good size sample. I don't know if that's as full as a normal purse size. It's definitely way bigger than just a trial size, so this would be considered a purse size. This is a fragrance my sister really loves, so she's excited to get this. She has used the samples that I've gotten in other boxes from this before, so she likes it. I will have to leave a note at the bottom what the fragrance notes are in it. I absolutely cannot read those little tiny words on the bottom. Well, actually, but it's in the book. Hang on. Why You Will Love Juliet Has a Gun perfume. It says this fragrance pulls off a balancing act between sweet and mysterious with a warm cherry note spiced by pink pepper. Overall effect is wintry and sexy, perfect for warming up snowy nights. So the full size of this would be 100 milliliters at $150. This is a 5 milliliter size in this box, so pretty good size sample for the little perfume. Nice one. And we are going to move on to our next product. So our next one, it looks like it's from Maylis. And this is a overnight toning body whip. I thought it said tanning, and it says Get Dreamy. So let's find out about this. This looks like it's going to be a full-size product. Now with the Allure box, you should get always at least 3 full-size products. The other products will be deluxe size samples and trial sizes. So we obviously got a deluxe size sample from the Juliet Has a Gun perfume. This one's going to be a full size. So this says Maylis Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Whip. This is the full size 100 ml size for $39. So this is the $39 value. This says skin below the neck drinks up this whip body cream, which is rich and hydrating but never heavy. It's packed with nourishing, hydrating coconut and passion fruit oils and shea butter to make the skin feel softer and smoother while you sleep. The incredible scent, a clean fragrance with hints of calming lavender, is part of why this whip lotion feels so luxurious to apply, making it a treat for the skin. So this time of year, we are all getting dry, and depending on what part of the country you live in. Where I live in Oklahoma, it is dry. So this looks like it's going to be a great one. I'm sure it's sealed. It is. I'm not going to open it yet because I do actually have a lot of other lotions. But very nice product, $39 value for that one. Our next product is from Ciate London, and this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this is 15 grams, and this is in the shade Translucent. And we have a nice setting powder. This one is probably going to also be a full size. Let's verify. Ciate London Extraordinary Setting Powder. This is the full size at a little over half an ounce, and it's $22. And it is a translucent setting powder. It does have Why You Love It in there, but it's translucent setting powder, so it's kind of the same for any kind of translucent setting powder. They all do the same thing. But that's a very nice one. I do like me some Ciate London, so that's very cool. I did just restock my setting powder, so don't need this one yet either. So that one can stay in the box for now too. Our next full-size product, and this will be our last full-size product, is from Ahava. This is not our last product, but our last full-size product. And this is the Ahava Purifying Mud Mask Time to Clear. Ahava is a K-beauty brand, so this is a Korean beauty product. And it says this is the full size at $39. And this is Cozy Up on a Cold Winter Night Made Better. Cozying up inside on a cold winter night is made better by a hydrating face mask. Ahava is just about perfect. So this mud mask cleanses and gently clears away pores, no harsh exfoliating, while also moisturizing the skin that's softer and more radiant. So nice Ahava. So in this box, we've got two $39 products and one $22 product. And this is a $25 box. So you can see the value for Allure. And there is, I will say Allure generally does lean heavy to skincare, which is great. I used to only want boxes that had a ton of makeup in them, but now I'm really into the skincare. So this is the bottle. Ahava packaging is always beautiful and simple and clean. So we have that product, and we do still have a few more things in here. These are counting as one because there's 5 products in the box, and this is actually 6, but they're giving us a shampoo and conditioner. And these are deluxe samples from Monday Moisture and Conditioning, and we have these are the Monday Moisture, and for normal to dry skin we have the shampoo and conditioner, and these are 1.7 ounce each. So let's see what our book says about the shampoo and conditioner. The full size is 354 milliliters for only $8, and this is a half a mil, or this is a 50 mil size in here. So we got basically a 1/7 of the full size. So this is a little over $1 each. That's pretty chintzy. I'm sorry. I know we got 2 of them, but that's like $3 worth of product for this. And considering they're only $8 a piece normally, and for the full size, that to me is kind of I don't know if I even count this towards the value of the box, but we did 100% get our value for the box. But this is a really low value product, and it's not a lot in them. So these are maybe 2 uses each. These are good for traveling with, but for $8, I'd almost rather just go buy the full size and see if I like it. But we can try them. This is the shampoo and conditioner. You get to use them both, so at least they didn't just send us one or the other. But as nice as it is to get both, this is a really low value product. So we did get still a lot of other value in our product. We got over $100 worth of product just in our full size, and then we got our trial sizes. So still a very good box, a very good value. And again, if you sign up fresh now, you will get a free giveaway. I think I don't know if it's with just the month to month, but it is for sure on the quarterly. You'll get the Kylie Jenner. But anytime you sign up for Allure, check the freebies, because there's almost always a bonus, something that you will get with it. If you love this box, let me know. If you hated this box, let me know. If you use these little shampoo and conditioners, let me know. I feel like I see these at Costco all the time in giant things for not a lot of money. So I guess if I like these, I can go to Costco and buy giant ones for cheap. So there is that. I haven't been buying them from Costco because I didn't know if they work. So there's my win. I found one. I can use these, and if I like it, I can buy the bigger versions at Costco for probably cheaper than the $8. Because they're bigger. So there might be $8 for double the size. Who knows, obviously. But this was a good box. This was fun to go through my very first box of the year with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, again, hit subscribe. I would love for you to do that. Thank you so much for watching Beth Unboxes. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.